Struggling to create a resume that stands out without eating up all your time? Today, we're diving into an honest review of CV Wizard, a resume builder that promises to make your life easier. Is it worth your time? Stick around to find out. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and check the links in the description to try CV Wizard yourself. So, what's CV Wizard all about? It's a web-based tool designed for anyone who needs a professional resume or CV fast. Whether you're a student, an entry-level job seeker, or a seasoned pro, CV Wizard keeps things simple, affordable, and ATS-friendly. That means your resume is built to get past those pesky applicant tracking systems that employers use. Here's how it works. CV Wizard's interface is super straightforward. You plug in your info step by step. Think education, work experience, skills, and boom! It instantly formats everything into a clean, minimalist template. No design skills? No problem. The templates are sleek, professional, and focused on your content, not flashy graphics. One cool feature? You can switch templates with a single click, and your resume updates automatically. Plus, you can create multiple resumes in one account, perfect if you're applying to different industries. And get this, you can download your resume as a PDF, HTML, or even a text file. That's super handy for job boards, emails, or even hosting your resume online. What sets CV Wizard apart? For one, it's multilingual. You can create resumes in multiple languages, which is a game changer for international job seekers or anyone targeting global roles. It's also lightning fast. No drag-and-drop fuss or endless tweaking. This tool is all about getting you a polished resume in minutes. Now, let's talk downsides. CV Wizard isn't an all-in-one career tool. If you want advanced features like cover letter builders, job tracking, or LinkedIn integration, you'll need to look elsewhere. Customization is also limited, no dragging sections around or deep styling options. But honestly, that's by design. CV Wizard is for people who want results without the hassle. Pricing? CV Wizard offers a free version with basic features, but their premium plan is super affordable and unlocks more templates and export options. Compared to other resume builders with pricey subscriptions, CV Wizard is a steal. It's perfect for anyone who values speed, simplicity, and a professional look without breaking the bank. So, should you try CV Wizard? If you need a no-nonsense resume builder that delivers clean, ATS-friendly resumes fast, it's a solid choice. It's not the flashiest, but it gets the job done. Pun intended. Check it out for yourself using the links in the description. Got questions about CV Wizard or job hunting? Drop them in the comments, and let's chat. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more career tips. See you in the next video.